Hi, my name is Chuck Lemaster. Welcome to my garage. I'm a current pro mechanic with Team Faith Racing and was named the 2012 AMA Pro Arena Cross Mechanic of the Year. I'm here with you today to share a couple tips and tricks I've learned along the way. One thing I see a lot of beginner mechanics and novice riders do is try to tighten their spokes, and by the time they're all done, spoke tips get rounded and the wheel gets a lot of wobble. So let me show you the right way to avoid doing that and to tighten your spokes so that you have a nice safe ride.
As with any project, your tool selection is critical to the job. With tightening your spokes, there are a number of different spoke wrenches that you can use, but today we're going to use a torque wrench made by Excel just for tightening spokes. After you've got the correct tip inserted, go ahead and spin the dial indicator up to the correct torque that you want to use. Once you've reached your correct torque setting, then go ahead and sit down at the bike and find you a good starting point. I always start at the rim lock. I go one spoke beyond the rim lock, and that'll be my starting point. I put the spoke torque wrench on there and I press down until it gives a good click. Now it's time to go to your next spoke, and you'll count 3 spokes later. 1, 2, 3, give it a click. 1, 2, 3, give it a click. 1, 2, 3, give it a click. If it moves any, you just keep moving until you get a click. Count 3 spokes down. This is important. You got to go 3 spokes down, and you're going to do 3 complete revolutions of the tire. Come back to your starting point, and once you're there, you're going to move to the very next spoke, and you're going to start the cycle all over. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Make sure it clicks. If you get any movement, just keep going until you get the correct click on your torque wrench, and then start the process again with your 3rd spoke from your starting point. 1, 2, 3, all the way around your tire. Notice how I'm holding this this torque wrench. I'm holding it at the very end. I'm making sure that I'm not putting it up against any other spokes. That way I get a good, firm, solid grip on it, and it's going to click on its own accord, not on accident. And remember, as you do this all the way around the wheel, skipping into your 3rd spoke, you're going to get a nice, even true all the way around the wheel so that your wheel will stay in true and your spokes will stay tight. You have a good, safe, hopefully fast ride.
Hey, that's it for today's episode, guys. Thanks for stopping by my garage. My name's Chuck Lemaster. Been my privilege to share with you just a couple things that I've learned along the way. Be sure to stop in next week and we'll look in depth at a couple more tips and tricks that'll help you become a better mechanic and a faster racer.
Don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked the video. More dirt bike stuff coming soon.